Hello, today we're going to draw Venom. So, first we're going to start with the head. And you can just draw it kind of like a line straight up, around. It's almost kind of like a circle, except kind of like a triangle oval. So we're going to put that for the neck. Do that. We're going to do that for like the muscle of his shoulder, because it's almost like a diamond, except it's a body. Now we're gonna fish this arm off, come down like a triangle. See right there? Come back straight, like a line, back down, and then come back in. And then we're gonna curve like a triangle and go back like a. It's almost, just imagine it like a square, just of some sort. Okay, now I'm gonna come this way, come up for the claw, and back down. So it's kind of like a triangle, or it's only a little triangle right there. And then come down. Imagine that as a claw, like comes back in. Back. Do that for a muscle on his fingers. Because muscles and fingers, they have muscles. Back. So now we're gonna do this other finger. Same thing like a triangle. Just a minute. Okay. Now we're gonna come down like a square, go round like a triangle, come back up, and back in. Now there's another claw. Now we're gonna just curve back up. No, never mind. Too straight, just like on the Spider-Man, that leg was too little straight. Okay, now we're gonna just do that for a muscle. Go out. Now we're gonna do that for a claw. We're gonna do that with the other. So we're gonna come back like a sphere. Go back. Do that for like a square and come back in. Now we're gonna do that for the other claw. Do that for a claw. Come back in. Finish that. Touch off it. Now, make sure it kind of looks like a line. See what I mean? Like that. And that's gonna be for like the palm of his hand. Come back up. Do that for his muscle. And I'm just gonna. And that little touch for his muscle. Okay. Now we're gonna come down, kind of like a sphere or something. Do that. Now I'm gonna kind of like go down, like his leg. I'm gonna go out, come back down. Then I'm gonna come back up. Then I'm gonna do that curve to come back up. It looks like we're just gonna draw like a little triangle, because both sides are pointy. So we're going back up, do a triangle, go triangle, go back up. Now we're gonna start with his other foot. So it's kind of look like he's like rolling it up. So it's like do that, back out, go out. No mind, just a minute. Okay, now we're gonna Now we're gonna start over, come down. Kind of like you're drawing an L, like a 1 or something. Or some sort of a detail. Do that for his little feet. Come out. Back in. And do that for a little touch of like a detail or something. Go out like a triangle. Now make sure this foot kind of looks like you're just drawing like it's like this toe slanted. So we're gonna do that. So it's like him squinting his foot. Come back up. And make sure the muscles, now make sure it looks kind of like a slanty pose. Like his foot is curved up. Now if I did that too quickly, you can just like push pause or something. And we're gonna come back up, come down, kind of close, huh? And we're gonna do his teeth. And his teeth, you could just it's almost like drawing a knife, except on a person's face. So we're gonna do one tooth big. I'm gonna draw a little line there. One tooth skinnier. Skinny. Fatter. Do the bottom. Actually, I'm just gonna start on the eyes. So eyes are kind of curvy. You can do it slanted, ripped up, any like detaily curves ways you want. Okay, now we're gonna come back down. Now I'm just gonna do that for like when I said I like a rip. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now we're gonna come down, go for a rip for his eye, come back up, and now I'm just gonna add like a little rip there. I'm gonna do the bottom of the teeth. 1, 2. Now this one's gonna look like he has a go, like that. There, the bottom. 2, 3. There. Now we're going to start on a floppy tongue. So you can do it like an S, twisted, curved, spiky, any creation that you would like it to. Or you could just follow mine. So it's kind of like an S, except not all the way like an S. So now I'm going to start on this other hand. Do that for his shoulder. Now make sure it's kind of like a sphere. Go down. Okay. Down again. Like a triangle. Now I'm gonna just do that for a little combination or detail. Slant pose. Just a minute. Okay. Now we're gonna start with the come down again. And we're gonna slant down. And we're gonna start on his claw. So it's like a come right. Now make sure it's kind of like the neck, just like I said on the teeth, except with the hand. So we're gonna. Here's one. Just a minute. Okay. Come for the other claw. Down. Back in. Now, if that was a little too trickier, you could just start over. Okay. Now, you don't have to draw a skinny if you wanna. Make sure it's okay. Now this hand's gonna look like a V. So try to make it combination like a V or some sort. You can do it any way you want. Okay. So now we're gonna start on the thumb. So the thumb is almost like the same thing, except it has kind of like a slanty triangle. Actually fills in the whole triangle, in fact. Okay. Now we're gonna go back in. down. Do a little detail. If the owl part was a little too tricky for you, you could just pause or give me an autograph or something. Back in. Back around. Now we're gonna just do like a little muscle right there, just like on the other hand. Now I'm gonna just start on the symbol, because the symbiote has like a kind of slanty symbol. So this one isn't gonna look like the originals. Make sure it kind of looks like a triangle of some sort. Okay, now we're gonna start on. You don't have to do the back one if you want. Maybe just the front. Up, down, back out, and like that. Now I'm gonna just color it in real quick. You don't have to color in yours if you wanna. It's just an invocation or a photograph or something. Something like that. Now we're gonna start with the other parts of the symbol. So we're gonna color that in again one time. Now we're gonna do the bottom. Switch on the other side. Color that. Put that in. Come back down. Okay. So okay. We're gonna just curve back up. We're gonna finish those. Claws up. Now I'm gonna just color that in for a minute. Now I'm gonna color a little shave. Now I'm gonna do a shave on the eye. Shave that out. Okay. There we go. For a little detail. That is grease that was on my fingers. I had a breakfast that was salt and stuff. Just trying to color that out a little bit more. Shave again. Here's a little art for you. Okay, that is Venom. Please subscribe. Give me thumbs up.